KwaDukuza Magistrate's Courtroom A was under police lockdown today, access restricted to family and the media, as 20 men considered to be extremely dangerous made their first appearance. They arrived under heavy police guard. The men were all arrested in a raid during which police uncovered illegal firearms and ammunition. In court, the state made a special application for a bail investigation. This allows investigators enough time to verify the addresses of the accused. It also emerged that 4 of the 20 accused have warrants for their arrests in Johannesburg, while 2 are out on bail for attempted murder. The defense opposed the application. It said this would result in the accused spending at least 3 weeks in custody before being able to apply for bail. After considering both arguments, the court granted the state application for a bail investigation, but stated the verification of information must be completed within 7 days. The case was then postponed to the 9th of February. A provisional bail application date was also set. The accused were remanded in custody. I am Mhlongo, SABC News, KwaDukuza.